Hummingbird Way. This one just came on the market. It's a 2,600 square feet. It's kind of got like a circular driveway, 2-car garage, little parking spot in front of my car over there, then the driveway comes up over there. New paint, new deck, front and rear, 4 bedrooms. Pardon me. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths? I thought it was bigger than that. Built in 82, 2,600 square feet. Says one of the best views, and it is a nice view. So this one is in quite good shape. All freshly done over. What I mean with the composite deck, front and rear, a couple patios off the back. It's got hardwood floors. It's got nice tile in the kitchen. We'll go in the front door. Downstairs. A whining dog outside. Well, it must be my dog. So you've got, the living area. It's not huge, but it's kind of expansive. You got a nice vaulted ceiling. You've got a wood stove, but it flows. So you got a flowing kitchen, dining area, vaulted, recessed lighting, lots and lots of storage in the kitchen. Nice tile on the floors, matches the tile on the countertop. 3-way sink here. The view out here. Gas stove, microwave, wrapping around. Nice little breakfast area over here. Eating area. Room at the bar stools here. So you got room for 5 here anyway. It's definitely light and bright. Going out on the deck here, sliders are new, deck is new, and like I said, it's got a beautiful view. Mostly the golf course out there. Can't really see through the viewfinder because it's so bright. Hopefully I'm pointing it in the right direction. It's not like the other one that has the creek down at the bottom and some of the amenities. This is $399. This is like a sitting room off the master bedroom, which is down here on this end. So it's got, there's your propane tank. There's another area here off the downstairs with stairs that go down. Looks like somebody had a couple plants growing here of the cannabis variety. Again, the hardwood floors. Nice depth to the living area here. Little living room. Then you got, okay, in this room, hardwood floors. The deck that comes off of what I call a sitting room. Here you've got a pocket door, linen storage, single vanity, a little dated, toiletten, and a tub over shower with wallpaper that looks like tile. And here you have a walk-in closet And this is one of two doors that goes out to the garage, which is kind of a standard size two-car garage. Finished though. Then you're going into the master. There's a nice view. Downstairs you have like a little living area in itself with a bath, 2 bedrooms, and like a little living room area. So here you have a walk-in closet. And here you have a, tasteful medicine cabinet. Nice shower, glass block. Toilet over here. So this is a little different because it's got the full bath up here, and it has a half bath downstairs. So I guess you could, I'm running out of power, so I better get downstairs. This is hardwood steps going down, hardwood floors downstairs. Attractive, that's tile, washer dryer. And this has 3 baths in, and a toilet and a shower. On the sheet here it said 2 baths. I thought there was 3. And this is a very nice open, like, living area for anybody down here, with another deck off of here, the stairs going down. I'm going to show you the bedrooms before my battery dies. Another bedroom here with a closet, very nice sized bedroom. And another bedroom of comparable size here. Same thing, fan, overhead light, and closet. And somebody named Captain was down here. That's the captain of the ship, was probably the husband when he got booted downstairs here. There's some storage probably under the house, but this is a good space. Yes. And the sheet here, yeah, because this is Hummingbird. This one says 3.2. It's a 3.3, 2600, 399.9. Anyway. Okay. Back upstairs. That's a pretty practical house. Doesn't have as deep of a yard or with the creek. But I keep going back to the 355 one. Who knows what you could pick it up for? Maybe less. They're in Florida. The daughter's in Albuquerque. And I think they want to sell it. Okay.